This will be a video chart on ticker symbol PPHM. We will take a look at the daily time frame. I did this one not too long ago, I believe, on one of these days here, and then big news came out, and you can see that the market liked it quite a bit as there's a massive gap up, and the price made a big move upwards, and then you had profit taking that basically from the top up here until now has you just had profit takers stepping in, which makes sense. I mean, when you look down here and see that all these people that were buying shares, even as high as over here on this day, they were well in the profit. So when you see this sort of action, it's not shocking or anything like that. Lots of people just locking in their profits. That's the name of the game. And congratulations to those people. But I want to get things updated here and talk about a few new levels that have been put in since the last time I did the video chart. The first one being this yellow line here. This was a previous resistance last time I talked about the chart. And this level is valued at $1.66, and I think that's actually right where the close. It closed right at $1.66. So a key level of support, and it closed right at this level of support. So that's a good sign. Ideally, and best case scenario would be this is as low as it goes and it starts to bounce upwards, but by no means is this a must-hold level or anything like that. If you remember again from the last time I did the video, I drew this uptrend line, and that's still certainly in play as long as the price remains above this uptrend line. Then the trend is up. I know nobody would want to see that trend line get retested, but from an overall charting perspective, as long as this line holds, that implies that higher lows are being put in, and that's what you want in order to form an uptrend. Another level of support that has been put in since the last time I did the video is right around this area here, and we'll call it $1.59, and I'll explain where that comes from. But if you look back through the history of the chart, you can see a bunch of price history here with it knocking it down. Although it didn't quite hit it there, you get the point. Still got up right around that little zone and area, and even over here broke above it quite a few times, but I don't think it ever was able, just out of curiosity. Okay, it was able to close above there one time. So one out of these 4 days, only once it was able to close above this level. So this was a big level of resistance that the price was able to break above a couple days ago. So this will be another key area of support. Now, resistance-wise, couple looking at here now. Whoops, let's try that again. First is being right here. This level is $1.76, so that'll be a resistance on any sort of bounce. And then another level of resistance on any sort of bounce is going to be right up here. We'll call that $1.82. And then after $1.82, almost kind of, if you will, breaks into another blue sky breakout, miniature blue sky breakout as the next level of resistance. Is not until that previous high up there at 206. But all in all, great looking chart. There's definitely nothing wrong with separating itself from the uptrend line here. But just profit taking, that's what I would attribute the past basically day and a half's action to. So if there are any other questions though on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to sign up for our newsletter up there. When you do that, as you'll see, you'll get a free ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it in your strategy as a trader, I'd encourage you to click down below and look at our educational video course, over 8.5 hours of teaching and video. Been getting great third-party reviews, so I'd encourage you to make an investment in your education as a trader and check it out. One more time, this was PPHM. Thanks for listening.